In this lecture, I'm going to share with you the best 5 points to retain from this story. 1. They choose hair instead of beauty, so it's a specific industry. And then they solely focused on hair extensions and became the best at that, so even more specific. The lesson here is, the more specialized your knowledge is, the more profitable you are going to be, and the easier for you it is to become the best one in it, since your whole focus is on that one particular product. 2. They did not do any type of traditional marketing. They used YouTube instead, and that was years ago. All they did was showing how the extensions looked and how practical they were. They followed what I love to call no-word marketing strategy. In one of his videos, Alex went in depth about it. I will leave the link in the references file. Instead of talking about what their extensions were made of, where did they come from, or how awesome their product was, they simply showed their potential clients, who were girls and women watching their hair tutorials, how beautiful and gorgeous they are going to look wearing these extensions. 3. They always were ambitious, and this again shows the importance and power of the mindset. They did not give up because they were broke. They did not complain from the fact that they were not famous or anything. They stayed positive and full of faith and focused on their thing. 4. They took action right away. They did not waste years dreaming about it, saying that someday we will have a successful business. They started using what was available. The business launched within months, and it started generating hundreds of thousands of dollars in its very first months. So start fast, win fast. 5. Since they obviously were not hair extensions manufacturers, they outsourced the whole thing to experts, so instead of wasting time, money and energy trying to make their own ones themselves, they saved it all and reached out to the experts who were already there in the market, so it's a win-win for both. And that's it for this lecture. See you in the next one, which is the very last one.